Hello everyone, this is Ashmi Pratap Singh. Welcome to our channel Code Caddy. So in this video, we'll see how we can utilize arrays, every method in our application. So let's move to console and see few of the examples first. So here we are. So you can see here we are having a nums array which is having few of the numbers. So those are positive. So we just want to check with our code like this these list of numbers is positive. So how we can do this? Like nums dot every, then we have to pass our callback method like this. Okay, then for each element what have to write, like for particular element, like for the current element I'm just naming it num, then checking return, then num should be greater than 0, then we are getting true because you can see all the numbers are positive. Okay, so this is one example. Then another example, you can see here we are having users and we want to test for the particular user that age is greater than equals to 30 or not, for each of the user, actually not for a particular user. Okay, so how we can do this? Like simple, in the same manner, users dot every like this, then we have a callback method. Okay, another syntax of doing the same thing is like I can write here user and will not write like this curly braces and the return statement. We can directly pass user dot age is greater than equals to equals to 30. Okay, so you can see it, it is saying that false because you can already see that there is a 20 as a age, so that's why it's returning as a false. Okay, so let's move to another example. I'll show you here of this and just clear the console. So here we are having a table, you can see here. So let's refresh it. So once I'll click the particular user like this, you can see my select all checkbox is not getting selected. If I refresh it again, if I'll select this all the checkbox are getting selected, but if I'll unselect one of the row, then it's still selected. So that's the issue. So how we can fix this? So if I'll show you the data, like how it looks like, you can see here we are having all the data and there is a check called selected false, and if item is selected, that it is returning as selected true. So I'll check that if all the data inside this array is selected true, then only we have to select this, otherwise we have to make it false. So then how we'll do this? Let's move to our code. So here you can see we are having this table using HTML, okay, and CSS. So we are using this we have created this table, and there is an input called checkbox and name select all. Okay, so here we'll write a condition for that by using that every method. Okay, so here if I'll select the particular row, you can see here this is user table, and if I'm going to select a particular table, means the particular row of this table, then I have to run this method. So what it is doing, it is doing like it select like it mapped through each and every data and selected that particular ID of a user and make it true. Okay, if it was a false, then it will make it true. If it is true, then means we are just toggling the data. Okay, like this. Okay, so here we'll write our condition, but we are talking about like we'll check each and every element of that particular array is true. Okay, so how we'll do this? Const is selected all equals to using user table. So we are having data inside this state called user table. We'll write this user table, then we'll call this every method like this. Okay, and we'll pass user like this, then we'll check user and the key is like is selected. Okay, so we'll write user dot selected, or you can write like true, then it will also work, and if you'll not write true, then it will also work because there's always going to provide as a boolean value, you can see here. Okay, so write this and we'll pass the same variable we have declared here like this. Just save it and move here. So let's refresh it. If I select two of the rows, then you can see my checkbox is getting selected. If I remove any item, then it gets deselected. So that's how you can utilize your this every method in your application. And one point I want to tell you as a note, that every is not optimized in every condition. Like sometimes for is more optimized and faster than every. So make sure what you are using. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you like the video, then please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.